Today I'm making one of the easiest Italian pasta recipes, spaghetti aglio e olio, garlic, olive oil, and a little heat. Ready in just 20 minutes. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Cook your spaghetti until al dente. Don't forget to reserve some pasta water. While the pasta is cooking, add olive oil to a large pan on medium heat. Add the sliced garlic and sauté gently until golden, not burnt. Then add the red pepper flakes and stir for a few seconds to release the flavor. After the garlic is nice and fragrant, add your drained pasta directly into the pan. Toss everything well so the garlic oil coats all the noodles. Add a little pasta water to help emulsify and create a light sauce. Once the sauce is thickening, turn off the heat and finish with some freshly chopped parsley. And if you like, you can sprinkle on some grated Parmesan or Pecorino cheese. But traditional aglio e olio is served without any cheese. Plate your pasta and enjoy. You'll be amazed how flavorful this is with just a few ingredients.